Yak it to me.
If you want to make money with your woodworking skills, but don't know how to get started, or if you already have a woodworking business and you're looking to take your business to the next level, if you want to turn your skills into dollars and have fun with easy-to-build wood projects at the same time, or if you are simply looking for a way to make extra money, then listen up closely.
Next,
Introducing
you'll learn how to
Wood
control the chapter
How to
chopper.
start and run a
Controlling
successful
the chapter
woodworking
chopper.
business from
The
home.
chapter
Discover
chopper
how
looks
an
for
amateur
character
carpenter
strings
made
that denote chapter boundaries,
$9,567
such as the
per month
phrases
by
chapter
selling
1,
easy-to-build
chapter 2,
woodworking
and
furniture
so
and
on
crafts
lines
from
by
home.
themselves.
First of all,
These are
what
common
is
to many
Wood Profits?
documents. The chapter
Wood
chopper
Profits
is
is an
case
online course
insensitive.
developed by
The
Jim
matching
Morgan
strings
that
must
teaches
appear in
step-by-step
separate
how to
lines by
start your own
themselves.
woodworking
The
business.
chopper matches strings
Jim
such
Morgan
as
is a
a
full-time
pattern of
home-based
3 dots,
woodworking business
dashes,
owner.
or
He
underscores.
started out
The
in
strings
1995
preface,
with
intro,
a 10-12 foot space
introduction,
and built a
section,
small but
and
thriving woodworking
variations
home
on the
business
theme,
with no
like
capital
underscore
outlay
intro
within the first year.
underscore, an integer number, or Roman
In this
numeral all on
package, you
its
will get
own,
a detailed
chapter
guide that
X
shows
or
you
CH.
how to make money
X,
selling
where
wood and
X is an
furniture
integer
and
or
other
Roman
wood
numeral will
projects.
control
There's
the
no
chapter
waiting
chopper,
around. You will
including
be making
turning
money
it off
fast.
altogether. Click the
You will
chopper
get
tab in the
plans
Advanced
and
TTS
blueprints for
Controls
popular
panel.
projects. You
Select
don't
or
need to be an
deselect
expert
one or more of the
woodworker to
chapter
create
boundary
profitable
patterns to
crafts.
activate or deactivate chapter
You can
chopping
also
for
have
that
unlimited
pattern.
one-on-one
If you
email
want to
coaching
reshop
with
an
Jim.
existing book,
Be guided
press the
every step
rebuild
of the
button
way
at the
from
top
day
of the
one to your
transcript
very
window.
first sale.
This will
You will
reshop
learn
and
the
run
crucial
TTS
first step you need
conversion
to
on
do
the
to
new
make your first
chapters.
dollar. Without this
Chapter
secret,
chopping
you'll
is
never
a
make a
useful
penny in this
tool.
business.
Have fun with it.
You will also learn how to price your work for maximum profit. This is an essential information for estimating project material costs and determining the value of shop time. You will discover a secret, easy-to-make project that you can turn around quickly and sell for top dollar. You will also discover the top 10 profitable crafts to sell. Don't waste your time figuring it out. We will show you the top-selling products you personally sell. You will also learn where to buy your tools and materials. This step alone can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your woodworking career. You will learn how to get a group of customers online to get their hands on your creations, and you will get this base group of customers fast. You will discover how to make your life infinitely easier by executing multiple repeat buyers who buy from you over and over again. As your woodworking skills progress, assuming you are already an expert, you'll use these tips to produce your projects even fast without any loss of quality on the finished product. You will understand how to know beyond the shadow of a doubt if a project will produce enough profit for you before beginning taking something that doesn't sell just plain substitute. You will discover how to squeeze your suppliers after you get pricing even if the boys don't enjoy it. You will get hands-on advice on all of the less glamorous part of the business, such as licensing and taxes. This is stuff you need to know. Discover the woodworking shop routine, all the woodworking shop plans, layouts, and designs. In addition, you'll also discover how to contract out some or all of the work. Imagine making $50 monthly income while somebody else does the work. You will learn how to get commercial contracts to scale up your business and how to market your services and products online with internet marketing. You will discover how to get into top trade shows and learn the techniques you use to acquire new commercial projects. You will also discover hidden gold land and repair and restoration. This is something that nobody else is talking about. And much more. My impression is that it is very comprehensive course. It covers everything from developing a business plan to selecting niches in the woodworking market to balancing costs versus profit. It discusses how to find customers locally and nationally and how to price your products the right way. The section on developing a business plan is very helpful. People tend to get excited and rush into new business ventures with dreams of making money quickly, but then fail because they do not plan out the business properly. Jim Morgan emphasizes the importance of creating a solid business model. For example, he outlines that your business model should focus on a particular line of products or niche. He then says that those profits will determine the type and quality of wood you need to purchase. This will affect the overall price point, which will affect your customer base. All of these factors are important to consider. But also you want to make sure that the wood projects in 3 days with your customer base as usual budget. Jim Morgan teaches you how to determine those factors. I also found the new book for 500 detailed plans to be an excellent resource. Even someone with a limited woodworking experience will be able to follow the plans and create decent profits. Its price is very cheap, and you can consider it as an important investment. And don't forget you have a 100% 60 days money back guarantee. So you can try it, and if you don't like it, you can always